ATA designs, develops, and tests flight and ground software for the aerospace industry. The experience of ATA's principal engineers in software development spans the history of digital computer-controlled flight. ATA's standard software development practices are designed to create highly reliable, cost-effective code. ATA has experience with designing and developing flight software for launch vehicles, Mars and Moon landers, and space operations. We also have experience with designing and developing ground software. We are able to marshal people with a broad range of expertise in software development. Our engineers can add value at any point in the software development process by applying ATA's time-tested practices to maximize the project's value. Central to our success in this arena is the large base of pre-tested and reusable code ATA has developed. We use a prototype integration and test process that allows much of the code developed during prototyping to be retargeted for flight software once hardware is fully specified. The ATED program, which is an acronym for ASAS Technology Evaluation Demonstration, was a joint program between our client and NASA. Piggybacking on this demonstration was a new avionics system designed to control a launch vehicle. ATA was asked to help develop this avionics system, including development of the guidance, navigation, and control software and pre-launch control systems. The major goal of the program was the testing of the navigation system. We flew guidance and control routines, which, although not used, yielded valuable test data. We worked with our client to define the requirements of the new avionics systems, which were derived from a mission analysis. This slide illustrates the challenges faced in the project. ATA began development by prototyping the guidance and navigation software with the C programming language using in-house libraries. The navigation software utilized a Honeywell 1700 series IMU. The guidance was based on a simplified cross-product steering routine from work done 2 years before for a Pluto mission upper stage. Validation of the navigation routines proved challenging as the ATED was spin-stabilized at a rate of up to 4 Hz. The control software that ran on the ATED flight controller was a simple control law. Although the thrust vector of the vehicle was not under active control, our customer wanted to gain experience for the next stage of development. This is an actual recording from a camera mounted on the ATED vehicle. This 2-stage vehicle launched to an altitude of approximately 320 kilometers. The first stage burns extremely hot for about 5 seconds. The vehicle then coasts before the second stage is ignited. Although spinning at a high rate, upwards of 4 Hz, we were asked to accurately navigate the vehicle. Post-flight analysis showed that the skin tracking radar data matched amazingly well with the onboard solution. Many of the functional code units used during prototype and testing were retargeted to the actual flight hardware without altering a single line of a tested C function. NASA and our customer deemed the ATED flight a complete success. The flight demonstration showed that the customer had developed key subsystems necessary for the future development of a launch vehicle, including the ability to guide and navigate. By choosing ATA to develop the flight software, the customer gained access to ATA's extensive base of pre-tested code. We were able to use this code throughout the design, development, and testing phases to shorten program times. ATA's disciplined yet flexible software development process held down costs while reducing program risk. Our well-defined prototyping and software integration process is built on best practices that, when followed, add great value to the overall development process.